Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if apps are not installing in your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you're facing app not installed problem in your device Vivo V25 Pro, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to fix app not installed problem in your device.